Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create recurring events in Google Calendar. If you have meetings, classes, workouts, or other activities that happen regularly, this feature can save you a lot of time. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and click the Create button. Select Event to create a new calendar event. Now enter a title for your event, choose the date, and set the start and end time. The most important step is the Does Not Repeat option. Click on it and you'll see several repeat options. For example, you can choose every day, every week on Friday, every month, or every year. For this example, select every week on Friday. This will automatically create the same event every Friday without creating it manually each time. After selecting the repeat option, click Save. Your recurring event will now appear on the calendar and continue repeating according to the schedule you selected. If you need to change it later, click on the event and choose Edit. You can update the time, date, title, or repeat schedule at any time. Recurring events are perfect for weekly meetings, online classes, appointments, and monthly reminders. That's it. This is the easiest way to create recurring events in Google Calendar in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.